Getting artistic in Savannah this summer. 2 May River High School visual arts teachers took part in the Educators Forum at the Savannah College of Art and Design. The teachers had the opportunity to take several courses, learning about new art concepts and techniques.
It was called Abstract to Concept. So it was a lot of working on the computer, doing some abstract work, and then by looking at those abstract forms, coming up with characters, backgrounds, and stuff like that. And it was just kind of in a way to have a different thought process.
I took a natural dyes class, which was amazing. The teacher told us that we did about 9 weeks worth of work in 2 days. So we harvested plants, cooked them, mortared in fabric, and dyed a whole bunch of fabric.
The art teachers also learned what specific plants to grow to create her own natural dyes.
I actually have a whole sample book with recipes and formulas. We used all plants that grow here in the South. So if we wanted to literally create a garden right outside, we could.
One of the teachers also took a podcasting course and is already thinking about creative ways her students can use it in class.
I'm thinking it would be a great way for students to show kind of their art portfolio and to be able to have some control over what they sound like and edit it.
The teachers also had the opportunity to tour the college.
The facilities are amazing. Every building, every detail has been thought of to fuel students' creativity, to make them feel like they're in this special, magical place.
The teachers were at SCAD for 5 days. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.